purpose of this screencast is to provide an overview of how to utilize Twitter as a way to create your own professional learning network as an educator. So if you don't already have a Twitter account, you'll need to type in the twitter.com web address into your browser and create a free account. Once you've created your account, your screen will look like mine. And the first step in expanding or just simply creating your professional network is researching who you'd like to follow on Twitter. This depends on what the purpose of your PLN is, because your purpose will be different from my purpose. So if you're an educator, for example, who's looking to expand your knowledge on instructional technology opportunities, you would want to research the top instructional technology leaders in your preferred search engine so that you can access their Twitter accounts if they have one. Once you've identified the purpose of using Twitter to network and you've identified who you'd like to follow, you need to follow at least 20 experts or educators or administrators in your interested fields. Once you have identified who you'd like to follow, all you need to do is click this search Twitter button and click the @ symbol and search their name on Twitter. Once you've searched their name, I'll show you an example. I'm going to search for Glendon Elementary. Once you access their account, you can click, I'm already following Glendon, so it's blue, but it would say a green button that would say follow. And that will actually go to your feed and be somebody that you follow. So everything that they tweet will go onto your home screen. So I'll go ahead and go back to my home screen. Now in the center of your screen, you'll notice that these are the experts and educators that I follow based on my interests. So I'm interested in educational technology advancements. I'm interested in Daily 3 and Daily 5, learner-centered environments, and questioning for students. So I've chosen to follow experts in those fields. On the right, they provide who to follow. So if you're interested in educational technology, the EdTech magazine, for example, here, just tweeted, they will find similar people to follow in that network with similar tweets. So they can suggest those for you as well. At the top, this is your opportunity to tweet, retweet, and quote any tweets. So tweeting, you're just sharing images, videos, articles through here. If you want to retweet, that means that you are kind of showing on your profile what someone else has said. So to do that, you would click these two arrows here. This definitely allows you to network professionally. And that is because when you click retweet, they are notified that you retweeted them. So not only does that go to your profile, but they'll notice that you're retweeting, and sometimes they reply to your retweet or what you've quoted in your tweet. The next feature of the Twitter webpage is the hashtag. And this is one of the most important parts of building your professional network. So when you want to search a hashtag, so a hashtag is just essentially a way to group related tweets to one specific area and allows you to follow specific hashtags more easily based on your interests. So in order to search a hashtag, you would type the number symbol and then any hashtag that you are interested in. Now, it's not necessarily easy to just simply search a hashtag. The more effective way to search hashtags is just to see a hashtag in a tweet from someone else and then click on that hashtag, as I'm doing now, and that will show you every tweet that has that hashtag. So that kind of broadens your network and also shows you other people to follow. So if you notice here, this is the Office of Educational Technology. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and broaden my professional network and follow them based on the fact that I've clicked this EdTech hashtag. Now the next feature that's similar to Twitter but allows you to organize your tweets in a professional fashion is TweetDeck. So in order to access TweetDeck, you would type in tweetdeck.twitter.com and you would come to the home screen which would allow you to type in your Twitter login information. Once you do that, you are automatically set up with everything. You don't have to sign up for anything. This just is a home and an organizational technique for your Twitter hashtags or your mentions and things of that nature. So this is my account here. As you'll notice on the home screen, this is what you would see on a normal Twitter page. Nothing different, nothing necessarily organized on this column. This next column, this provides you with all of your notifications. So anything that you are mentioned in, anything that someone else likes of yours. I don't typically use this very often in my professional network. However, it is important to see who is following you so that you can broaden your network as an educator. I'm going to go ahead and show you the hashtag. So like I said earlier, when you want to find a hashtag that you decide that you want to follow at all times. So earlier we talked about the EdTech hashtag. So that EdTech hashtag, now by typing add column, that would allow you to search a specific hashtag. So for example, we talked about the EdTech hashtag. So I would type in the number symbol and EdTech hashtag. So that would actually bring me to here, and I could add that column to my tweet deck. So each tweet that has that EdTech hashtag would go to this column, and I would be able to follow that, also expanding my network. So as you can see, there are definitely several different opportunities to organize your tweets on TweetDeck, but there's also other features that can help you build your network, and that is here. You can tweet from TweetDeck. You can also schedule tweets, which I love, because if you know that you want to schedule a specific tweet at a certain time, for example, let's say I want to schedule a tweet for tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. and I want to mention certain people, certain hashtags, I can go ahead and type in that tweet, hit schedule tweet, and decide what time, what day I would like to schedule it, and then I can tweet it at that time, which is great for networking in that sense. So as you can see, by using this Twitter and TweetDeck resources, you can definitely build your PLN from that and stay organized by searching different hashtags and different leaders in the educational technology field or whatever you end up being interested in to develop your PLN.